These hydraulic press videos are blowing up right now, and some of them are pulling in millions of views with insanely simple visuals. The interesting part, most people think these are hard to create, but they are not. In this video, I will show you how to create the exact same hydraulic press video using AI, step by step. So let's get started. We have already prepared a master prompt for you. You can get it from our WhatsApp channel, the link is in the description. Just copy the full prompt and paste into ChatGPT. Once you run it, ChatGPT will generate 15 different viral video ideas for you. It will also ask for your branding name. For example, I will choose idea number 5 and for branding, I will enter Khan. After that, ChatGPT will generate two things for you, an image prompt and a video prompt. First, copy the image prompt. Now open Flow AI and go to create image. Select your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Then paste the prompt and click generate. Within seconds, your images will be ready. Just pick the one you like. Now we move to video. Go to create video in Flow AI. Select frames to video, choose your aspect ratio and outputs. Upload the image you just generated as frame 1. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and paste it here. Click generate and within a short time, your video will be ready. Take a look. You will notice how realistic and satisfying it feels, exactly like the viral ones. Download it. And using this exact method, you can create multiple videos in this niche without any complexity. And that's how you can create viral hydraulic press video using AI. If this helped you, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which niche you want next.